So we're still in lockdown, and my mum rang me up and said, would you like a omelette curry? And I said, no, don't trouble yourself. But I really did want one. So she made it, and I'm going there to sample it now. So let's go check it out. Before we get started, guys, please like and subscribe to watch future content like this. Thank you. So I'm really thinking about this omelette curry now. I can just taste it. Yum. Can't wait. So that didn't work out. Mum didn't make an omelette curry. Bugger. So I got a message from home saying, hey, I've made a vegetarian curry dish. So I'm heading home. There's food, there's Patrick. Well, I made it home and there's a vegetarian dish ready. I've already served it, so check this out. Okay, so we've got lentils, my all-time favorite coconut sambal, and we got okra, and that's been cut up, stir-fried with some chili. Everything's got chili in there. It's gonna be hot, I know that. So let's taste it. There's a bit of rice on there too, but you know, I've drowned it with all the 3 vegetarian dishes. So first in for the coconut sambal. I love coconut sambal. Coconut sambal and dal, or lentils, you can't go past it. It's yum. Even without any meat, it's absolutely beautiful. Really, really yummy. I got the chef sitting next to me and I dare not say anything else. But it is very tasty, healthy, and the okra, I think the okra, these are actually packets that are frozen and they're imported from India. Very tasty, you know, they're just as good as the fresh ones. Yum. I mean, that is so colourful. Check that out. But the coconut sambal is absolutely to die for. So I've got more there, and what I'm going to do probably for breakfast tomorrow is have some pol sambal, which is what the Sri Lankans call it, pol sambal for coconut sambal, and coconut sambal and bread. Yeah, so I was hoping for an omelette curry at my mum's place because she said she was going to make it, and no go, didn't happen. But I got compensated anyway. This is quite nice. Now, the coconut is also from a freezer pack, frozen, fresh yogurt, coconut, sorry. Some people use desiccated coconut to make coconut sambal. It just doesn't taste the same. And obviously fresh coconut is the best. But this is damn good. Really, really tasty. I can't believe how fresh this okra is. Okra is just absolutely beautiful. Apparently good for you as well. Now, I'm not using my hands to eat because I'm hungry and this is like a shovel for me. It's easy. I can, you know, get it down quickly. Hopefully it'll all digest too. Yum. So the chef doesn't want to be on camera. She gave me the bird and said, no, get away. Yum, yum, yum. Thanks, chef. Put a thumbs up. If you go into a Sri Lankan takeaway or restaurant, just try this out. Get the coconut sambal, and ask them for a bread roll or something like that. Butter it up, and just have that with the coconut sambal. It is to die for, I'm telling you. It is really tasty. And if you're a vegetarian, hey, this meal is just awesome. I think the Sri Lankans have quite a few vegetarian meals actually. But I'm really, really enjoying this. So, as you can see, it's going down very quickly. It means it's tasty. Well, we're still in lockdown and I can't get out and about. You know, there's a bloody 5k radius. I've got an exemption letter to sort of drive to my mum's because I'm a carer. But besides that, I can't travel anywhere. So, you know, I'm really grateful for a meal like this because, you know, you can't get around to get stuff. So hopefully things will open up soon. So today in Melbourne, Victoria, we've had something like 440 cases of the Delta variant, and each day it just seems to be going up. Look, I think we just got to live with this, you know. Get vaccinated. If you don't want to get vaccinated, whatever. But we've got to open up because people are just dying out there. Their businesses are dying. You know, I could have bought this meal somewhere today, but we had to make it at home, which is also a good thing because you're getting home cooked meals. It's a bit spicy. I'm starting to feel the heat now. All done and dusted, but I can't resist that coconut sambal, so I'm gonna have a little bit with some buttered bread. Oh, well, I got my Western style butter, got a couple of slices of bread, butter that up, and then we'll get into this coconut sambal. Now this is to die for. I love this. Also, I sort of microwave the bread a little bit just to warm it up. Sort of helps, I don't know, the taste. I like it that way. Let's do this. Here we go. So, coconut sambal and bread. Now, this you gotta eat with your hands. There's no other way. This is not vegetarian now, but you know, when the butter melting on the bread and the coconut sambal sort of complementing it. Look at that. Oh, yum. That is yummy. Well, I'm going to enjoy this, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for supporting my channel and hope to see you back again. Till next time, ciao for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment and subscribe for future content. Till next time, ciao for now.